Hsi Lai Temple is a mountain monastery located in the northern Puente hills of Hacienda Heights, Los Angeles County, California. It was built to serve as a spiritual and cultural center for those interested in learning more about Buddhism and Chinese culture. The temple is one of the largest Buddhist temples in the Western Hemisphere and is a branch of Fo Guang Shan, a Buddhist organization from Taiwan. The name Hsi Lai means coming west and signifies the dedication of the Fo Guang Shan Buddhist order to spread the teaching of the Buddha to those in the West. The temple's architecture is inspired by traditional Chinese monastery and palaces, with its main hall being one of the largest wooden structures in the United States. The temple offers various programs and services for visitors, including meditation classes, yoga classes, Dharma school for children and youths, and chanting services. Visitors can also take a tour of the temple to learn more about Buddhism and Chinese culture. It's open every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.